Hi children, I'm Sanjeewa Perera of Universal Gateway English Academy. Today I'm going to teach you the simple present tense. Why we use simple present tense? We use simple present tense to say or to tell a habitual action. What is an habitual action? It's an action you do every day. Sometimes until your schooling days, sometimes until you live, you do certain things. So we can say those are habitual actions. For instance, I drink water. I drink water. I sleep. I eat rice. I play cricket. I study English. So these are the habitual actions. And also we use simple present tense to tell a general truth. Sun rises in the east. All humans die. The earth is round. So these are the general truth. Wind blows. So now, how to speak in simple present tense or write in simple present tense? Now, what are the pronouns that we use? Subject pronouns. I, and the plural is we, then you, he, she, it, and they. So let's make a sentence now. I eat rice. So when you say I, present tense verb, base form is eat rice. We eat rice. You eat rice. He eats rice. There you have to be very careful. You have to add S to the base form of the verb, or the present tense verb of the verb. You have to add S. So you can't say he eat rice. That's wrong. You have to say he eats rice. She sings a song. It eats bones. It barks loudly. So you must make it a point that when the subject pronoun is he, she, it, you have to, you must, you should add a S to base form of the verb, or the present tense form of the verb. And they play cricket. They is a plural subject pronoun. They play cricket. They go to school. They write letters. Also, you have to make it a point when using has and have. Subject pronouns I, we, you, they. You have to say have. I have a friend. We have lots of friends. You have a mother. They have beautiful houses. But then when you use he, she, it, you must put the verb has. He has a bag. She has a beautiful frock. It has a long tail. So my dear children, when you put have and has, so you have to be very careful. Let's say Nimal and Kamala have a good school. They are Nimal and Kamala, plural subject. So you see have. Sri Lanka and India have a good relationship. When subject is plural, you have to say have. When subject is singular, you have to put has. So my dear children, now you will understand the simple present tense. Thank you very much.